Hey everyone, this is Juana Lefter from NNC Services. And here is a question that all of us marketers have, especially at the end of the year when we plan for next year's strategy. With so many options, how do you build a marketing plan for a business that has tangible ROI metrics? Well, I would say the best way to do this is to use the reverse funnel method. And it goes like this. Assume you want to increase your company's revenue target to $10 million. dollars. Now, marketing must contribute to some of this. Assume we still need to generate $2 million from marketing by the end of the year. And then set your sub goals after that. For example, how does increasing LinkedIn traffic and acquiring more LinkedIn leads factor into your $2 million in marketing revenue? Consider all of the processes in detail and then consider the deadline. And I will share with you some tools you can download from our website that will help you do that. So first of all, you can find in a link below this video the B2B digital marketing goal setup template, which is actually built considering the reverse funnel analysis. And also, you will find a link to a downloadable spreadsheet, a template for a marketing action plan for your business launch if you are actually at the beginning of your journey. And there's another thing that you may find of use. Check out this blog post from our blog, Tips for Planning Your B2B Digital Marketing Strategy. So I hope all of this help. If you still need support with setting up some clear metrics, ROI metrics into your marketing strategy, make sure you get in touch with me. See you.